क्या आपने कभी सोचा है कि सूरजमुखी के खेत जो धूप में झूलते हैं आखिरकार शुद्ध और चमकदार सूरजमुखी के तेल में कैसे बदल जाते हैं?
This channel does not promote or encourage any illegal activities. All contents provided by this channel is meant for educational purpose only.
Right here, the discoloration suggests a localized nutrient deficiency. Okay, zooming in and logging the GPS coordinates for further analysis.
After several weeks, the sunflower heads begin to dry, and the seeds in the center fully develop.
कितनी देर लगेगी पता नहीं भाई, सुबह से यहीं खड़े हैं।
The truck's gross weight is recorded at 35,200 kilograms. We then take a sample to verify the moisture content.
The sunflower seeds pass through a magnetic separator and fine cleaning machine. Here, cleaned sunflower kernels arrive in a large conditioning tank. Here, steam and controlled heat gently warm the kernels, softening them for easier oil extraction.
The pressure in tank 3 is stable at 200 psi. Acknowledged. Oil levels are steady.
Filtered crude sunflower oil enters the degumming tank, where hot water and food-grade phosphoric acid are added.
Now the oil reaches the neutralization tank. Here, a controlled amount of caustic soda solution is added.
Oil is hot water washed. Residual soap and impurities are removed with hot water. After this, excess moisture is completely removed from the oil in a vacuum dryer.
Bleaching units. Now the oil reaches the bleaching unit. Activated bleaching earth and a small amount of activated carbon are added here.
Now the oil reaches the deodorization tower. Steam injection is performed under deep vacuum and high temperature.
The refractometer confirms the quality.
And the odor is perfectly neutral.
The tea. Puri Tara refined sunflower oil is stored in Vishal stainless steel finished oil storage tanks.
In the blow molding machine, high-pressure air transforms the heated preforms into transparent sunflower oil bottles in just seconds.
Now the Vision Inspection System inspects every sunflower oil bottle with high-resolution cameras. Bottles with low oil levels, crooked labels, or improperly...
The bottles move from the conveyor into the automatic cartoning machine, where they are precisely arranged and filled into strong cardboard cartons.
फुल HD में बना है ओके
Look at the screen. The Tokyo shipment just doubled. I'm on it, adjusting the dispatch lists immediately.
Watch your clearance on the way out.
We're good here. Bring the next one. This is the final weight, and the seal number is right here.
Got it. I'll sign now.
That's 40 cases of sunflower oil for Route 7. Please sign here.
Looks correct. I'll get this dispatched now.
This is the one with the vitamin E. Yeah.
Great, let's get this large bottle.
Here is your receipt. Have a great day.
Thanks, you too.
This smells incredible, mi amor. It's the fresh ingredients. Are the girls ready?
The spectrophotometer readings are excellent.
And the moisture content is well within the acceptable range. The batch is approved.
The automated system performs a precise leak test. Only bottles that pass this rigorous inspection are then moved forward for the cap tightness assessment.
We have a critical alert on I-80 eastbound. Check the weather overlay.
Confirmed. Adjusting ETA for the specialized cargo.
We need that pallet cleared by 3. Coming right up, watch your left. Driver, back it up slowly, you're clear.
Stack those tightly on the left side. We need this shipment ready by noon.
Just a little more sunflower oil for the perfect sizzle.
Looks amazing, Dad.
This smells absolutely amazing.
It's the sunflower oil. Gives it the perfect crisp.
Is the extraction rate holding steady there?
Yes, look at the data chart. The flow is completely stable.
Make sure the sunflower oil cartons are stacked evenly. We have a large order today. I know. I am almost finished wrapping this pallet.
This looks amazing, honey.
The sunflower oil really makes the flavors pop.
Can I help set the table?
That is the funniest story I've heard all week. Here, have some more rice, sweetie.
Smells amazing already.
Dinner's gonna be great tonight.